As an image consultant, I've studied hundreds of women who always look expensive, regardless of their budget. And I found something fascinating. Looking expensive is not a price point, it's a visual language. And today I'm going to teach you how to speak it fluently. You will understand very specific styling principles. The same principles used by luxury stylists when dressing diplomats, high-profile women, and even members of royal families. Today I want to show you luxury styling secrets elegant women quietly use to elevate their appearance. And stay with me until the end because one of the final secrets is something most women completely overlook. Yet once you understand it, your entire wardrobe begins to work differently. This video is for the woman who wants her presence to feel elegant, composed, intentional, refined, not through trends, but through styling intelligence. My loves, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Elisa. I'm a luxury image consultant and the creator of the Return to Elegance philosophy, where we explore personal image, refined living, and the deeper transformation of becoming a truly elegant woman. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, where I share more visual inspiration and elegant lifestyle ideas. And if you want to go much deeper into this transformation, I also created the Return to Elegance Masterclass and ebook, where we work step-by-step on personal image, lifestyle refinement, and feminine presence. In this video, I will share 10 luxury styling secrets elegant women use constantly. These are not basic tips. They are the same strategic principles professional stylists use when building the wardrobes of high-profile clients. Once you see them, you begin to understand why certain women always look elevated. Secret 1. The luxury anchor piece. Elegant outfits almost always contain what stylists call a luxury anchor. This means one exceptionally refined piece that elevates the entire outfit. For example, a Hermes handbag, a Loro Piana coat, a beautifully tailored blazer, exceptional leather shoes. The rest of the outfit can be relatively simple, but the presence of that one elevated piece changes the entire visual balance. You may see a woman wearing tailored trousers, a simple knit, classic loafers. But then she carries a beautiful structured handbag. Immediately, the outfit reads as intentional. Luxury styling is often about strategic hierarchy. One piece leads the composition. Everything else supports it. Secret 2. The 3-level outfit formula. One of the most powerful styling structures used by luxury stylists is the 3-level outfit formula. Elegant outfits are rarely built from pieces of equal visual weight. Instead, they combine 3 levels. 1. A strong statement element. 2. Supporting neutral structure. 3. Refined finishing details, for example, statement piece, a structured coat or exceptional handbag, supporting structure, tailored trousers, or a classic dress, finishing detail, elegant shoes, belt, or jewelry. This hierarchy creates visual balance, which is why elegant outfits always look composed rather than chaotic. When every piece competes for attention, the outfit feels confused. When one piece leads, the entire look becomes harmonious and refined. Part 2. Advanced luxury styling principles. Now that we understand how elegant women build the structure of an outfit, let's go deeper into something that luxury stylists pay enormous attention to, yet most people never consciously notice. These next principles are the kind of subtle details that make someone look effortlessly refined, not styled, not overthought, simply elegant. And I would love to know something from you before we continue. When you look at an outfit that feels luxurious, what do you notice first? Is it the handbag, the tailoring, the colors? Tell me in the comments because I read them, and I truly enjoy seeing what you observe. Secret 3. The texture ladder rule. One of the most powerful styling secrets elegant women use is what stylists call texture layering. Luxury outfits almost never rely on a single flat texture. Instead, they combine materials that create depth. For example, wool, silk, suede, leather, cashmere. When these textures interact, the outfit gains richness. Imagine this combination: a wool coat, a silk blouse, leather boots, a suede handbag. Each material reflects light differently. The result is subtle visual complexity. This is one of the reasons elegant outfits look so refined in real life. They are texturally interesting, even when the colors are simple. And I'm curious, do you tend to build your outfits around texture, or do you usually focus more on color? Tell me in the comments. Secret 4, strategic skin exposure. Secret number 4, and this one is subtle but incredibly powerful. Wealthy women never expose skin randomly. They do it with precision: a collarbone, a wrist, an ankle. One area of skin intentionally revealed, while the rest remains covered. Think about the most timeless, elegant images you've ever seen. Audrey Hepburn's neckline, Grace Kelly's shoulders, Jackie Kennedy's arms. Never everything at once, always one deliberate choice. This is what I call strategic restraint. It creates intrigue, it creates elegance, and it communicates something profound. This woman is selective. She doesn't give everything away. She chooses what to reveal. The application is simple. If your neckline is open, your arms are covered. If your legs are visible, your top is modest. If your back is exposed, the front is conservative. One window. That's the rule. And here's why this reads as expensive. Because luxury brands design this way. Look at any high-end collection. You'll see strategic, controlled exposure. It's never random. It's never excessive. It's always a choice. Secret 5, signature repetition. Another luxury styling principle elegant women use constantly is signature repetition. Many women believe they must constantly wear something new. Elegant women do the opposite. They repeat their strongest pieces until they become part of their identity. You may notice that some women are almost always seen with the same handbag, the same coat, the same style of shoe. Over time, these pieces become their signature. This creates recognition and personal style. When someone repeats a refined piece consistently, it signals confidence. It communicates, I know what works for me. Luxury dressing is often about consistency rather than novelty. Secret 6, the color temperature secret. Now here's something very few people talk about. Elegant wardrobes usually follow a temperature harmony. This means the colors belong to the same visual atmosphere. For example, warm palettes may include camel, chocolate, ivory, gold tones. Cool palettes might include navy, charcoal, black, silver tones. When colors belong to the same temperature family, outfits automatically feel cohesive. When temperatures clash, for example, very warm beige with very cool gray, the outfit can feel slightly off, even if everything else is beautiful. Luxury stylists pay enormous attention to this. My loves, before we continue, I want to pause here for a moment because everything we are discussing today is only a small glimpse into something much deeper. Inside my Return to Elegance Masterclass, we actually rebuild your entire personal image and lifestyle step by step. We begin with calming and regulating your nervous system so you can move through life with clarity and composure. Then we rebuild your identity and self-concept, because elegance always begins internally. From there, we move into wardrobe architecture, understanding your natural harmony, your body lines, and how to build outfits that truly reflect the woman you are becoming. We also transform your home environment, communication style, daily habits, and the way you carry yourself in the world. It is not simply a styling course. It is a full life refinement journey. If you feel that quiet pull that it may be time to elevate your life in a deeper way, you can explore the masterclass through the link below. And now, let's continue, because the next secrets are where styling becomes even more powerful. Part 3, high-level luxury, styling intelligence. Now that we've looked at texture, repetition, and color harmony, we move into something that professional stylists pay enormous attention to, yet most people rarely think about consciously. This is where styling begins to feel intentional rather than accidental. Elegant women are not simply choosing beautiful pieces. They are understanding how those pieces interact visually on the body. Secret 7, the power silhouette principle. One of the most powerful luxury styling secrets is understanding silhouette balance. When stylists dress high-profile women, diplomats, executives, public figures, They always consider the overall shape the outfit creates. Elegant outfits usually follow one of three silhouette structures: structured and defined, fluid and elongated, balance between volume and tailoring. For example, a tailored blazer with structured shoulders immediately communicates authority and composure. A long flowing coat creates vertical elegance. A defined waistline creates feminine proportion. When silhouette is intentional, the outfit feels powerful even before anyone notices the details. This is why two women can wear similar clothing, yet one looks noticeably more refined. It is not the pieces. It is the shape those pieces create together. And I'm curious, when you build an outfit, do you usually think about the silhouette first, or do you start with individual pieces? Tell me in the comments because I love seeing how you approach styling. Secret 8. The luxury contrast strategy. Now here's something many elegant women do instinctively. They create contrast between elements of the outfit. This contrast can happen in several ways. For example, structured pieces paired with softer fabrics, masculine tailoring paired with feminine silhouettes, relaxed garments paired with refined accessories. Imagine an outfit like this: a tailored coat, soft knit underneath, classic trousers, elegant handbag. The structure of the coat contrasts with the softness of the knit. This creates visual interest without making the outfit feel complicated. Luxury styling often relies on controlled contrast rather than uniformity. This is why outfits worn by elegant women feel so dynamic while still appearing calm and balanced. Secret 9. The invisible tailoring secret. Another secret that luxury stylists rely on constantly is something most people never notice: tailoring. Elegant women almost never wear garments exactly as they come from the store. Small adjustments make an enormous difference. For example, adjusting sleeve length, refining the waistline of a jacket, shortening trousers to the perfect break above the shoe. These subtle changes transform clothing from something generic into something that feels custom. When clothing fits perfectly, the body looks naturally poised and composed. This is one of the quiet signals of refinement. Even if someone cannot explain why the outfit looks so good, they sense the difference. Before we move into the final section, I want to ask you something. Which of these secrets surprised you the most so far? Was it the idea of texture layering, silhouette structure, or tailoring? Tell me in the comments because your reflections always make these conversations richer. And in the final part of this video, I want to share 2 final luxury styling secrets that truly separate elegant women from everyone else. These are the principles that make an outfit feel complete, intentional, and unmistakably refined. Now that we've explored silhouette, contrast, and tailoring, we arrive at the final 2 styling principles, and these are the ones that truly separate elegant women from everyone else. Because at this level, styling is no longer only about clothing. It becomes about visual composition and awareness. Secret 10, the luxury focus point rule. Elegant outfits almost always have one visual focus point, one element that quietly draws the eye. It might be a beautiful handbag, a structured coat, exceptional shoes, an elegant scarf. What elegant women avoid is having too many competing focal points. For example, if the handbag is exceptional, the rest of the outfit becomes quieter. If the coat is dramatic, the accessories remain refined and minimal. This creates visual clarity. When everything tries to stand out at once, the outfit becomes chaotic. Luxury styling is about composition, very similar to interior design or even architecture. There is always a hierarchy of elements. And I'd love to ask you something here. When you style an outfit, do you usually think about a focal piece first, or do you simply combine pieces you like together? Tell me in the comments. I'm very curious to know how you approach this. Secret 11, dressing for the environment. The final luxury styling secret is something elegant women understand almost instinctively. They dress in harmony with their environment. This means they consider where they are going, the atmosphere of the space, the time of day, the people they will be around. Elegant dressing is always context-aware. For example, an elegant lunch in a beautiful cafe might call for a tailored coat, refined trousers, understated accessories. An evening event may invite deeper tones, stronger silhouettes, or more dramatic fabrics. The goal is never to dominate the environment. The goal is to belong to the space gracefully. This awareness is one of the reasons elegant women appear so composed. Their presence feels natural, never forced, never performative. Luxury styling is not random. It is built on principles like hierarchy, balance, texture, silhouette, intentional repetition. Once you understand these principles, your wardrobe begins to function differently. You stop guessing, and you begin styling with clarity and intention. And this is exactly what we work on much more deeply inside the Return to Elegance Masterclass. Because true elegance is not only about clothing, it is about identity, presence, communication, lifestyle, and the environment you create around yourself. Inside the masterclass, we refine personal image, wardrobe architecture, feminine presence, elegant communication, lifestyle design, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing exactly who you are. If you feel ready to step into that next level of refinement, you can explore the masterclass through the link below. And before you go, my loves, I would love to hear from you. Which of these luxury styling secrets resonated with you the most today? Was it the luxury anchor piece, texture layering, silhouette balance, tailoring, or dressing for your environment? Tell me in the comments. I always enjoy reading your thoughts and reflections. And I'll see you in the next video.